If you've been wanting to access CapCut Pro features without spending a dime, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get CapCut Pro for free and unlock all those premium editing tools that you've been eyeing for all these years. All right, so I'll walk you through the complete process of this CapCut Pro unlock, showing you the legitimate method to access premium features without paying any money, whether you're a content creator on a low budget or a student learning video dicting, or just someone who wants to maximize your dicting capacity. This guide has you covered. All right, so you will learn the exact step by step to unlock advanced features like removing watermark, accessing premium effects and filters, and also using pro level transactions and getting unlimited exports. Okay, so no sketchy download, so no complication worker, just straightforward. That's actually works. Okay, so by the end of the tutorial, you'll be able to have full access to this CapCut Pro unlock. All right, this is exactly what you want to learn, so make sure you like this video, share and comment, and also subscribe so that other can as well benefit from this video. Let's dive straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing first you need to do now, you need to uninstall your old app. Okay, your old CapCut, you need to uninstall it. So here is my old CapCut. So this one, I'm actually going to uninstall this one because you're not going to make use of it. All right, we actually have two methods. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you guys the first method, which is signing in, okay, before having access to these premium features, whereby the second method is without signing in. Okay, but I'll be doing the first method, which is by signing in. So in my next video I'll also be revealing the second method, so make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss the second video that will be dropping very soon after this one. So just uninstall this one, delete this one correctly from your from your device, because we are not actually going to make use of it. So what you're going to do now, we are going to uninstall this one. You click on uninstall, then it will delete completely. So once it's done deleting, fine and good. Hope you can see it has been deleted completely. So what we are going to do now is that I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do this. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will learn, and also to avoid mistakes or coming back saying that it didn't work. So make sure you pay very good attention to what I'll be showing you guys right now. All right, so now the tools that you need for this to actually work, I've left it in my Telegram channel. It's in my Telegram channel, so I'll be leaving a link in the description. So just make sure that you click on the link there. It will take you straight to my Telegram channel. All you need to do is to join and have access to these tools. All right, so I'll be moving over to my Telegram channel where I've already sent all the tools. I've dropped all the tools that you need for this to work. And all the time I'll always, and all the time I do update these apps to make sure that it is active and working up to date. All right, so these are the old ones. And also the good part is that we have CapCut Pro for old phones. Okay, old phones, maybe a phone that has a lower version, Android version of 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can actually access this CapCut Pro for free. All right, so now I'll be showing you now closely. So if you have a low device, once you click the link in my Telegram channel to bring it to this place. Now if you have a low device, okay, a device that has up to 32 bytes, this 32 bytes means Androids that has a low versions from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 upwards. So if you have a low versions, you can actually download these 32 bytes. Okay, you can actually download it. So if you also have a higher version, you can as well download this one that has about 64 bytes as well. Okay, so there are so many ones that you can actually have access to, you can actually download. All right, so now let's click on this one. So I'll be downloading this one here. So I'll be downloading this one. So this is the one that has about 64 bytes. Okay, so this is 64 bytes because my phone is up to date. So all I need to do is I'll just click on it, then it's going to download. Right, so now congratulations to us, it's done downloading. All right, so remember I downloaded the 64 bytes. Why? Because my phone is up to date. All right, so all I need to do, I will need to click on it. Then once you click on it, it's going to install this particular app. Okay, so just don't be in a haste, take your time to avoid mistakes. Then I'll click on install. So it's actually going to download this app to our mobile device. Then this is where the whole thing starts. So make sure you pay very good attention so that you don't miss anything or come back saying that it didn't work. pay a very good attention for this to actually work perfectly for you, because I'm actually using it. Okay, so we also have the PC one. So I'll still be doing a video on how to access this same CapCut Pro on PC. So this is mainly for mobile device. So let's go. All right, so everything now is okay. The app is done installing, so it's automatically going to open this app. So it's still scanning. So let's just give it a few seconds to complete its scanning before they can actually open this app completely for us. All right. All right, so I'm now going to click on open. It's done scanning. Then I will just click on open. All right, so once it open like this, so this is exactly what you're going to see. This is just the interface. So all you need to do is to click on agree. All right, so once you click on agree, then this one that says join, so it's an ad. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we'll just click on it and we'll come back. Like once you click on join, then you click on back, it will definitely bring you back to this same interface. All right, so what we're going to do right now, I will now click on join, then I will now click back. Okay. All right, hope you can see. All right, so I clicked on join, then I now clicked back, then it brought me back to this page. All right, so now don't go ahead to do any other thing. Don't go ahead, just pay very good attention. The next step that I'm going to take. So I will now go over to my browser, any browser that you're actually making use of, it doesn't matter. So then open your Chrome browser. You get, so once you open your Chrome browser, then I'm going to come over to the search bar. Then I'll search for CapCut sign up. Search for CapCut sign up in your search bar. All right, so let's wait for it. I think my network is a bit poor, but let's see how it goes. All right, so hope you can see these ones that says welcome to CapCut. Now, all of these things are the method that you can actually sign up. No, no, I don't need to sign up. I've already signed up because of the old one that I deleted. So I need to I need to sign out now. So this is what I'm going to do. I need to sign out, then I'll come over to my settings. I want to sign out automatically so that I can show you guys how this works. Okay, for better understanding. All right. And I'm going to delete every files here. Okay. Now I've deleted everything. Now let's come back and refresh. Everything is now okay. Let's come back and refresh the page. Okay, so once I refresh the page, I'm still going to have access to this sign up without it telling me that I've already signed in because of the old one that I deleted. All right, so now I need to accept their terms and their conditions. Okay, fine. Now let me show you the most important mistake people do make. Okay, if they come to this page, they will now rush to sign up with their Google account, with their TikTok, with their Facebook, or even with a mobile number. No, so you don't need all of these things to sign up. The only one you will need to sign up with here is your email. Okay, so we're actually going to sign up using the email method, which is below this one here. This is the email method. This is the one that we're actually going to make use of. So all you need to do is to click on the email. Yeah, once you click on the email, then you input your new Gmail account. Okay, the one that you've not used before on CapCut. The one that you've not used before on CapCut. All right. So what I'm going to do right now, so I'm going to input my email. Okay. All right. All right. So this is it. Then I will now click. Wait, let me. All right. Then I will now click on continue. Then once I click on continue, then now wait for it. Then it's going to bring out another phase whereby we have to create a password for it. Then I'm going to create a new password. Okay, so I will now click on sign up. They will automatically send me an email after this one. That's a verification code in my email after this one. Then you will now input. You can input anything, it doesn't matter. So you can input anything. Okay, so I'll just choose a random something here. Okay, then I'll now click on continue. All right. Now remember, have you seen they've sent an email verification to this particular email, which means I'm going over to the email. Then I'll go over to my email right now. Then I'll go over to my email. Then let me get that particular code that they sent to this email. So once it open, then let's get the code. All right. So this is the code here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy it. Okay. So I'm going to copy this code right now. Then okay. All right. Then I will now minimize. Then I'll go back to the page. Then once I'm back to this page, so this is where I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to paste. I'm going to paste this code here. Okay, it will automatically start to verify if the code is correct or not. So it's actually trying to create our accounts for us. So once we are done like this, so all we need to do is to wait for it to sign us in to CapCut directly from the web. Okay, now hope you can see that you've signed up. Now once you've signed up like this, once you've seen something like this, you've signed up. All you now need to do go is to all you now need to do is to go back to the app, then click the app. All right. So once it's open like this is what you're going to actually see. This is what they are going to show you. This is what they are going to show you. Now, as you can see, it says I should sign up to Access Pro anywhere. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on sign in with email. Don't sign in with your TikTok. See, let me show you guys again. Try my possible best to point out things that you should avoid. Avoid signing in with your TikTok. Avoid signing in with your Google account. Avoid signing in with your Facebook. Okay, so you can only sign in with your email account. Okay, with your email address that you used in registering. That email address that we used, that's the exact thing that we're going to use to sign in. So what you're going to do right now, we now click on that email. So once you click on email, so it's going to actually open a new phase. Then what we are going to do right now, you are going to input your email address. Okay. Then you input your password, the password you created on the sign up page. You input your password, then you now click on continue. All right. Hope you can see we've automatically signed up. Okay, we've automatically signed in. Then the next thing we need to do, cancel this thing that popped up. Now you are now good to go. Okay, so now let's test some of the features. Let's test it and see if it actually CapCut Pro. I'll now click on new video. You click on new video, allow CapCut to send you an device. Then I'll now click on limited access. Now I will now add one picture, one photo, I want to add one video. Let me just look for a video that, okay. Now let me add this video, then I'll add this. Then once I add this like this, okay, add. All right, so now this is it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to test this and see if it's truly CapCut Pro or not. So if you see now, the first thing we're going to check now is the background remover, which is very, very important. So what you're going to do now, you now click on the picture, then you now look for remove background. So this is it below. You can see clearly. So this is it below, remove background. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on that remove background. Then we're going to click on auto removal. So let's click on auto removal. All right, let's wait for it. It's still applying. It's still applying the features. Okay, hope you can see our background has been automatically being removed. Okay, so our background has been automatically been removed. Saying if you should play it, we can see our background has been automatically being removed. All right, so now the next thing we're actually going to test, now we're going to test the auto caption, because it's actually a pro feature. Then we're going to test it. And another thing you can also test that is also a pro feature in CapCut is isolate voice. This isolate voice, once you click on the isolate voice, they'll ask you to to subscribe, but now you can actually isolate your voice and enhance your voice for free. Then if I click on isolate voice, I'll click on keep voice. Then it will start to isolate the voice in order for me to have a good audio. Okay, so no need of you looking for mics before you start editing, before you start creating your videos. You can actually create your video in a noisy environment. Then you can come over here, isolate the voice, and enhance the voice to have a very better quality. All right, so now once it's done doing, I can go ahead and minimize. Now let's test one thing. Let's test this caption, this test caption. Now I will not generate the caption automatically for free, so I don't need to pay anything. So everything here is accessible for free. Okay, so it's something that you can do ease without the stress, without stressing yourself or passing the stress of doing any other thing. So it's very, very free. So once you follow this step-by-step guide, you actually learn how to do this. And hold on, because once I'm done, I'm actually going to show you the exporting part, so that you can see that you can actually export. Not only doing it, you can actually export it into your device. All right, so let us finish this CapCut, this caption, then go over to export. Now, this is the latest CapCut free pro account you can actually access now, because so many people are paying to have access to this. Right, I even myself, I paid in order to have access to this. You can see that there. You can see the payment I made 5k payments in order to have access to this tutorial, but then I'm here dishing it out for free. So the least you can do now is to like this video, subscribe and share, and leave a comment so that others can as well benefit from this video. All right, so now this is it. Our caption has been generated. Then you can go ahead and choose the style you want. Okay, and all of the templates we have for our captions are free, so they are not monetized, they are not subscription, nothing like subscription or nothing. Everything is absolutely unlocked, so you can go ahead and choose the one you want for free and start to enjoy. All right, so now once you are done, you click on it. Then you now click on this place that says export. If you click on here that says export, then you can go ahead and export your video, and you are exporting this video without watermark. Now let me show you how to remove that watermark that ends something, because some of you, your video ends with CapCut of a thing, so you need to cancel it. So let me cancel this, let me quit, then let me show you what I mean. Let me show you closely what I mean by, okay, we'll go back to it. I went back 2 times, so we'll go back to the video. Okay, so what I mean by this ending part, this is this thing that says tap to edit text. All you need to do is to delete it. You don't need it. So you don't need that thing to always be showing at the end of your video. Fine and good. You don't need it. So just delete it. Once you are done deleting it, then you can go ahead and, okay, now let me change this caption to another front. Let me change it to another front, so you can actually see that you can still change it, not from the normal one. I'm just trying to make everything possible so that you know that everything is working perfectly. Okay, so all I'm going to do, you're just going to choose a random one. Now let me choose this one. So let me choose that. So it's actually going to add these templates to our caption. All right, so it's still loading. All right, so it's still loading. So let's see how it goes. YouTube channel into. Okay, let me click on it again. Then let me go back. Let's see if it's still downloading. Okay, it's taking time like this because of my network. So, okay, now thank God it's done. It's okay, it's done. Now, so if you want to start YouTube, if you want to start. All right, so this is it. This is our template caption that we chose. So you can now go ahead and and export and enjoy your CapCut Pro for free. So this is it. Once I click on export, it automatically exports. Okay, so this is it exporting. So this is just how to get and have access to your CapCut Pro for free. You don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to pay as I paid. Okay, so if you really got value from this video, make sure you like this video, comment and share so that others can as well benefit from this video. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys the second method by which you can as well get access to this CapCut Pro, so that you have these two methods. Once you learn these two methods, you don't need to bother yourself about CapCut Pro again. Okay, so make sure you subscribe so that once I drop the video, you'll be the first to be notified.